Making $30,000 a month wholesaling real estate with AI has never been easier. And the difference between someone who can get rich in wholesaling real estate and someone that can't easily is going to be the ability that you can do with AI. In 2026, there's going to be the haves and have-nots in wholesaling real estate. The people that actually know how to use AI and get free and easy wholesaling real estate deals, and then people who struggle finding wholesaling deals that have to call thousands and thousands of sellers every single day just to get results. What I want to do is bring you on the side of people who actually can get easy, simple results in wholesaling real estate. So what I want to do today is show you how I use AI in my own wholesaling real estate business to get wholesaling real estate deals on the paid side of AI and on the free side. So regardless of your income or your budget getting started in wholesaling real estate, AI is here, it is not going anywhere, and you could start using it to get wholesaling real estate deals. Before I break it down, do me a big favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So I don't think it's a secret that AI is here. I mean, I've been screaming from the rooftops for 4 to 5 years about how AI is going to change everything in wholesaling real estate. And it hasn't been like this robot that does everything for me, but it massively assists a lot of the tasks I used to have virtual assistants or VAs do that honestly you could be utilizing right now. Now, again, I'm not going to sell you on some program where the AI is going to do everything for you. I keep saying that everywhere. I'm going to show you exactly what I use, but I do want to give you a warning. I see a lot of people in the wholesaling industry try to tell you that AI will do everything for you. AI will close sellers for you. AI will do this for you and this for you, and it'll scratch your back and make you all this money, when the truth is AI works as a tool. It is just a shovel. And the way I like to describe this is the way I like to describe X-Leads. X-Leads is a shovel. If you work hard with the shovel, you're going to get a lot of good stuff done. If you want the shovel to do the digging for you, it ain't going to work like that. It's a tool that makes your effort a lot better, but it doesn't automatically make you dig in the ground. So again, you can dig with your hands and that's fine, and you can do it without using a shovel, but a shovel makes it a lot easier, but don't feel like the shovel is going to do everything for you. So let's break down my 6 ways I'm utilizing AI right now in my wholesaling real estate business, and I feel like you can do the same exact thing to start making money in wholesaling real estate. So the first thing that I've been looking into and doing wholesaling real estate has actually been working really good for me, but honestly, this is something I feel like I'm making more for you guys, is what I'm using, which is just the AI map scanning. Now, this is a free way to find wholesaling real estate deals, but honestly, one of the most underutilized things you can do. And honestly, all you have to do is just go to like Google Maps, and all you're gonna do is just pop up Google Maps on your computer, your phone, whatever you wanna do. I would actually prefer you do this on your phone, and I'll show you why. But all you're gonna do is just go around your neighborhood, and I want you to zoom in, but only zoom in to a point where you can see the numbers, which is something like right here. All you're gonna do is take your phone really quick, open up the camera app, and just start taking pictures. So I'm gonna take a picture here, I'm gonna scroll to the next part of the street and just take a picture. And all I'm doing here is taking a picture and scrolling around, taking a picture and scrolling around, taking a picture and scrolling around. Now I'm gonna go out, let's go a little more north. Let's go to Lakewood Park, which I think is an awesome little wholesaling honey hole. And I'm gonna go zoom in where I see the numbers right here. And all I'm gonna do is just take pictures, take pictures, take pictures, take pictures, take pictures, picture, picture, pictures, 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 picture, and I'm just taking a picture and going around. Now, the reason I'm doing this is I'm gonna send this to AI and feed it and show me which one of these are looking ugly. Boom. Now you can also just screenshot, but I just took all these pictures. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT. I could use Claude also. And I'm really just gonna go here and insert my photos. I'm gonna write, you are a bot looking for ugly roofs, green pools, or ugly houses. I'm gonna send this to ChatGPT. Now I'm also going to start feeding it all the photos. And this is from my phone, but obviously my ChatGPT account is all hooked up. And all I asked it is, you are a bot looking for ugly roofs, green pools, or just generally ugly houses. Now I upload these pictures, I uploaded these pictures, and now I'm gonna do out of all of them, which is the worst. And we're just looking for ugly houses with the AI here, and it's saying that 562 Southwest Lakehurst Drive is the answer. So let's go out here and check the property out. Now it's saying the strongest candidate is 506 Lakehurst Drive. So if I do 506 Lakehurst Drive, it's popping up this property as a prime candidate. And as you can see here, the AI literally found me this property, which most people can't even look at. But look at this thing. I mean, the thing looks disgusting. There's junk vehicles everywhere. I mean, there's stuff coming from the roof here. This is a good little candidate, right? If I even put on the street view here, I mean, this thing's a mess. I mean, it's hard to look at the front because the trees just overgrowth a city on it. But this property clearly is going to have some issues. I mean, if I go to the side here, I already see some mildew, and this is leaking right here. This is a property right here that I want to look at. Now this guy looks like a mini hoarder, but like, what is he doing hiding that? I mean, roof line's looking rough. I mean, house ain't looking too good. I mean, this is a clear candidate for a property. And that's what's really cool with the AI property scanning, right? If you have no money, that's one of the easiest ways to go out here and find free wholesaling real estate deals of just distressed real estate to cold call. Next here is using AI to organize my government lists. So one of my favorite government lists to pull, for example, are code violations. Now, everybody knows if you want to learn wholesaling real estate for free, you should go to freewholesaling.com, my free real estate school group and community. And the best part about joining the school group is you get access to my Wholesaling Real Estate Bible. So if you go to classrooms, go to the start here, Zach Ginn's Wholesaling Bible pops up literally right here. And what's cool about it is on the bottom of my 144-page guide on how to get started wholesaling real estate, which everyone should be looking at, all my government lists pop up right here. So here's a whole dictionary of all the government lists. So for example, if I want code violations in San Diego, I can go here. If, for example, I want to get the Indianapolis code violations, I'm just going to click this link right here. So for example, if I want to get the code violations, let's say for Syracuse, New York, I can go here. Buffalo has them right here. But let's go through the Columbus, Ohio code violation portal. So I can literally just copy this right here, this link, which pops up right here. And let's do start date. So let's do for the month, all the code violations. And right here are all the code violations in Columbus, Ohio. Because obviously you went to my free wholesaling school group, freewholesaling.com, and you're able to get it right here. Now what's really cool is these are all the code violations. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna download this list really quick for the past 30 days of all code violations. So now we got it downloaded. Here's the problem. We now just got a list of all the code violations in Columbus, Ohio for the past 30 days, which is awesome. That is 3,000 records. Now what's really important here is there's descriptions with each code violation. Some are active, some are closed, but some of these descriptions are pretty interesting. Rotted wood surfaces, investigation on a late recurring nuisance from a commercial complex. Honestly, we don't really want to deal with that one, but you're kind of sifting through this. The elevators out in a senior living apartment, like that's not a good wholesaling lead. When you keep going down the line, you can look at abandoned house, which is awesome. Growing piles of trash, that's a good wholesaling lead. Mattress in the yard, not really a big deal. But you got to find the gold or the needle in the haystack here. Like for example, on this property right here on Chandwick Drive, high grass and weeds besides my property, 2 separate yards beside my fence. I'm highly allergenic to the poison ivy. I mean, that's still, it's an abandoned lot. That's really good. The lawn hasn't been mowed all season, high weeds. This is perfect. Tall grass, tall grass. The dogs have been out during quiet hours. Like nobody cares about that. And then the closed violations we don't care about. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this list and I'm going to import it into Claude AI. So this is Claude.ai. Now I'm going to give this to Claude and I'm going to say, I'm a real estate wholesaler. I want you to find all active code violations and scan the descriptions to find the best leads for me to market. Tall grass, ugly house, house is what I want. Leads like, and I'm going to give a quote of the ones that I don't like, just so it can kind of get a little trained here, like isn't important or motivated enough for me. I'm looking for houses, single family specifically. And then I'm also going to write here, and you want to tell this to Claude, when it gives you the address here, which is like, for example, here, 1209 East 24th Avenue, for me to skip trace this instead of X leads, I don't want the full address. I mean, you can get it if you want, but what I'd rather you do is also organize the list from full street address to city to street address, city, state, and zip code. And then what you want to do with Claude, and this is important with every AI, because AI is only as good as the prompts you give it, you want to paste in the address, and then I want you to put that this address should be street address. I know this is a little bit of work, but this is the stuff that actually makes the AI to work. The street should be street address of, and then we're going to copy what street address should be here. And remember, doing 3,000 properties at a time. The city should be, and I found GPT works good, but this works way better. State should be, and then obviously state, and zip code should be that one. And press enter and let Claude and the AI do all the work for you. This is what I do on a daily basis. I used to pay VAs $5, $6 an hour to organize all my data for me. And honestly, I can just have AI do this completely for free for me. So here's what the AI came out with. So it literally scanned all the properties from hot to not. Let's look at some of these deals really quick. The AI just analyzed for me. Now it did street address, city, state, and zip code just like I wanted. And let's look at the description. The tenant has moved out and left so much trash all over the yard. It's spilling over the sidewalk. There's trash all over the porch. The house is abandoned. No one's living in. The grass is getting high. Something needs to be done. Holy cow! These deals are just sitting there, bro. And you're just sitting around doing nothing. This is mind-blowing to me. Like, how do you not see this and be like, wow, like this is a wholesaling deal. I should go after this. The AI will do all the work for me. Shocker. Like, man, you can't make this any easier. Look at the other one. Trash on the porch, overgrown, vacant property, high grass, broken windows. I mean, guys, I can't make this easier. Your competition ain't doing this. Your competition is not going to the code violation search, which is right here for the county, downloading 3,000 records of all the active code violations for the month, throwing it into Claude, organizing it so it finds the most motivated sellers, having AI scan thousands of property records, so you can literally go out here and get them given to you on a silver platter for you to get wholesaling deals. This literally costs no money at all, and you're sitting around telling me you can't get wholesaling deals? Bro, it's literally this easy. Go to freewholesaling.com, learn how to do this completely for free, and start getting cash. Guys, this is just insane that no one's going out. Like, literally, I don't know anyone doing this on a large scale except for me or the people that I teach inside the community. This is where the money's at. Now, the next thing I use ChatGPT or Claude or any AI for is what I call for my market analysis. Now, Claude and ChatGPT can analyze the data set you give and have it analyze stuff even more. So for example, this is my Wholesaling Real Estate Bible, which is 144 stinking pages. And if you just download it, what I want you to do is you can literally go to ChatGPT, paste my 140-page Wholesaling Bible, and say, of the markets Zach tells me to pick, which one do you think will have the best ratio of wholesaling deals to wholesalers with buyers, so I have the best chance of getting a virtual wholesaling deal in 30 days. So you can literally have AI analyze my Wholesaling Bible and do its own reasoning based off of my 140-page free PDF guide that I give to you on how to wholesale real estate. And in that guide, I literally give you my Wholesaling Bible, which also includes how to find the best wholesaling markets. Now, I list 530 good counties, and I list all the counties that I recommend that you can go after, which are acceptable. What you're gonna do is have AI analyze all the counties. It's gonna tell you based on your marketing, which you can tell what your marketing plan is for virtual wholesaling, which county you should be going after. So it's saying here, Toledo, Ohio is going to be your best chance of getting a wholesaling deal. Now you can even have it analyze all the stuff. It's going off a median home price, typical market time, reported sales, and investor activity in the area. So it's literally analyzing, telling you Toledo and Dayton, Ohio are going to be your best areas. Like, come on, the AI can analyze markets for you, tell you the best wholesaling areas are, and it read all of my criteria of what makes a good market or not. Like, guys, you can't beat it. It gives you a 30-day approach. Code violations, probates in Toledo. I mean, guys, you can't make it any easier than this. Now, the next thing I can tell you that I use AI for religiously is with the AI texting inside of X Leads. And you obviously need to go get xleads.com to check it out, but you could literally sign up for X Leads, start doing the texting and create automations, which we already teach you in the training and support section here of X Leads, of how you can use AI to do the texting for you. You can literally turn it on. There's literally an AI agents button right here. And you can start using our conversation AI. Basically, if you go to automations and tag something AI SMS, with your ever AI SMS bot right here, you literally send a manual text out there, and then the conversation AI will go out here and actually just text the sellers for you. And what's really cool is it's already trained that if the person is interested in selling, it's just gonna go thrown into your deal board right here inside of X Leads, right here. So when they wanna sell, it gets thrown into there and gives you a notification. AI SMS is the best because I used to pay a lot of money for AI. I used to pay a lot of money for like these virtual assistants to go out here and do the texting for me, or to reply to the text. But now I have the AI replying to the text, and the AI is trained if they are looking to sell the property, they'll ask questions to make sure that, hey, are they looking to sell or not? If they are interested, talk to our partners, which would be the human being. The point of the AI texting isn't close the seller for you, doesn't make it do something that's a little much. It just figures out if that person's interested in a cash offer and then hands it off to you. Because 98% of your conversations, the person's not interested in a cash offer. But if they are interested in a cash offer, it goes to you. So AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, about 95% of the work there. And you can do it all inside here at X Leads. Now, another way I use X Leads and AI is the AI sellability scores. So if you go to your AI territories right here, inside of X Leads, you can do AI list stacking, which is really cool. So if I choose an area, so every single person gets at least one zip code. And so if I choose, let's say this is my AI zip code, you can do your AI territory as you remember, like right here. But if you pick it right here and just press filters, there's something called the wholesale AI score. And what it does is it goes after billions of data points in a market and looks at things like credit score, how old they own the property, the last liens, permits on the property, and all these other factors. And the AI guesses, kind of like how it did on the code violation list, which properties are most likely to sell for a discount. Now, this is not a magic list that goes out here and automatically finds the properties for you or the most motivated sellers, and every single person on this list wants to sell. It just shows properties that are more likely than not to sell for a discount. So what I found on average, about 1 out of 1,000 of these lists ends up being a wholesaling deal, a code violation list or a fire damage property list, which is usually 1 out of 2,000, 1 out of 3,000 that becomes a deal. So this list is 2 to 3 times better than any government list possible. So my only criteria is I want to make sure it's at least a 750 score or above. And I just want to exclude properties that are actively on the market or active investor owned. Then from there, you have 318 properties right here, like this one, for example, in Port St. Lucie, Florida, which has a 971 AI score because it's probably in a pre-foreclosure situation right now, and some other factors on the back end. And my last tip for you, and probably one for most beginners, because a lot of people send me these JV deals and they want to know if they have a good deal or not. Honestly, use just ChatGPT or Claude for your AI deal analysis. So what I mean by this is if you have a property, let's go use this property right here. Why don't you just generate a property assessment with a wholesale strategy? And this property here on Escobar Lane, let's say you locked it up for $220,000. Once you press the AI analysis on here, the X Leads AI is going to give you an MAO calculations based on the repairs. So for example here, you gotta have a pro or explain for this. It's telling you if there's median home repairs, your MAO is 216 on the property, which means if you locked it up for 220, probably a little too high. But if you locked it up for 200, that's a pretty good deal. So AI inside of X Leads right here is really cool because it analyzes a property for you and does the comping and everything for you to let you know where your MAO should be on this. So if it's median home price, this is your MAO, which is pretty much on par because it's probably gonna need a lot of work. So you can use AI to analyze your deals inside of X Leads, and this is exactly what I do in my own wholesaling business. So if someone sends me a deal, we run through the AI inside of X Leads and see what the median home price, because that's usually the average. And if you locked it up for below this, we could do something. If you did above that, we're gonna tell you it needs to be closer to this. And this eliminates tens of thousands of dollars of underwriters that we manually have, because the AI does most of the work. So guys, that's exactly how I use AI in my own wholesaling real estate business in 2026. Let me know exactly how you use AI in your own wholesaling business. And like always, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. If you want to get the best wholesaling software ever, go to xleads.com and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.